What is up everyone? Welcome back to Blink and Build. Today we are going to do a full breakdown of the upcoming hackathon season. We have packed schedule covering hardware, software, AML and IoT events. We are going to look at the roadmap from December 2025 all the way through February 2026. I am going to walk you through 4 exciting events that you need to know about. So let's get into it. First up on the list, we have the 8 Mile Overnight Hackathon. So when and where? This is happening at RV College in Bangalore on December 4th. It is a fast-paced 12-hour event. The registration fee is super affordable at just Rs 500. You need a team size of 3 to 4 members. The theme is open to both software and hardware, so you can build whatever prototype you want. The basic rules being you can use any language, utilize open APIs, but the key rule is it must be an original work. The link for registration is in the description. Next up, we have AERO-OPS Hackathon. Literally, the very next day of 8 Mile Hackathon, you have AERO-OPS Hackathon. And it is also hosted in RVCE by Project Jatayu. It runs for 24 hours from December 5th to December 6th. And the price is a whopping 25,000 on the line. And the entry fee is just 600 rupees. And yes, the team member size can vary from 2 to 4 members, but make sure you register by the deadline on December 4th. Challenge: this is specific. It focuses on AI drones and IoT hardware and simulation. And then again, the link for registration is in the description. Next up, we have brAInwave 2.0. This is in 2026. We have the big one. This is the AI hackathon that everybody is very excited for. This takes place at AIMS DTU in Delhi. So mark your calendars for January 16th and 17th. This is a longer 36-hour marathon. And the prize pool being very massive, the total prize pool is 10 lakh. The top team wins 1 lakh, second place gets 15k, and the third place gets 25k. Registration: you need a team of 4 members and must register by December 25th. So guys, get on registering. And the tracks, they have tracks for AI/ML, IoT, game development, and a design track worth 40k. So then again, the link is in the description. Make sure to register. Last but not least, we have the RNS Hack Overflow 2.0. This is happening in RNS Institute in Bengaluru. It's a 24-hour event on February 21st and 22nd. This is a huge event with 500 plus participants expected, and it's an open innovation theme, so you can do anything you want, but it is focusing on Web3 and software. And it is perfect if you are building web apps, tools, or platforms. So why join this? It's a great opportunity for community, networking, and building your portfolio. So then again, the link is in the description. So yeah, these are the main 4 hackathons that we are gonna talk in this video. So let's look at them side by side to help you decide. 8 Mile is your quick 12-hour sprint on December 4th for just Rs 500. Whereas AERO-OPS is the hardware lovers 24 hours December 5 to 6 with that Rs 25k price. Brain AI Wave or brAInwave is the heavy hitter, 36 hours in Jan with a total huge 10 lakh prize pool. RNS Overflow is the community event, 24 hours in February with open innovation. So here's the timeline. So you don't miss a beat. December 4th, we start with 8 Mile, and then immediately after that, followed by AERO-OPS on December 5th and 6th. Then on January 16th and 17th, 2026, we have brAInwave 2.0. But remember to register by December 25 for this one. On February 21 and 22, 2026, we wrap up with RNS Overflow 2.0. So after the timeline, we'll tell you what are the use of joining an hackathon. So why you should join these hackathons? So first of all, you can build real projects, whether it's a 12 or a 36-hour sprint. It's the best way to add to your portfolio. Building your resume is a major part in your engineering career or any career that you're trying to pursue. This will be very helpful. Winning real prizes. We are talking about prize pool ranging from 25k to up to 10 lakh plus internships and goodies. You really don't want to miss this. In engineering life, start earning by hackathon is a major fun, adrenaline rush factor. So make sure you don't miss on these huge winning opportunities. And networking, of course. You get to meet innovators, experts, and mentors in all various teams that you are interested in, and getting real time mentorship from industry specialists is very, very useful in our early stages of career. Then there are diverse tracks. You may be interested in hardware, software, machine learning, IoT, everything is there. There is something for everyone in these hackathons. So, are you ready to innovate? Don't miss out on these opportunities. So December, you have the quick hits. In January, you have the mega event with 10 lakh prize pool. February, open innovation showcase. So this is 3 months of a lot of hackathons, a lot of learning, and a lot of prize pool. So form your team, pick your track, and register now. So the registration links of each hackathon slides are in the slides, as well as we'll be adding them in the description. So yeah, good luck to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for the channel, like and share this video, and follow us for more updates like this. We'll be posting more hackathons as they get announced as soon as possible, so that you guys don't miss out on anything or any opportunity that you can see. Yes, the hackathons are mostly based on India, but yeah, we'll be looking out for any online hackathons out all over the world as well. So make sure to turn on the notifications and be hooked so that you don't miss on anything. So good luck, and we hope to see you at the events. So thank you for watching.